Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bunch of more guns that I have mentioned that I have a lot of. Ugh, I'm sorry. I just got. It's. I can't. Sorry. Just over. I just love guns. Okay. I'm sorry. But yeah, we got two B, two 6R P320. There's one of this M18 and an M17. We got a Glock. We got a Combat Arms. Wait, no, Combat Master STI. Yeah, STI 1911. We got a Rhino. And yeah, so we're gonna go through all the guns today that I have. They are basically shell ejecting ones, but yeah. Right, let's go over first with the Gucci upped Glock 17. I'm not sure where the original kit is from. This thing is from China, but the original one is, I don't know which manufacturer did it. But yeah, it's all gold parts and black matte finishing. You got some metal parts like the mag well, the trigger, the mag release, slide release, the whole barrel and chamber is also metal. And this secondary slide release, for some reason, it acts like a lock mechanism for the slide also, but it's also annoying when you try to, well, reload. And here's the mag. It got some details like the real one, showing like this double stack and the ammo counter, stuff like that. Here's the ammo without the warhead. This thing works like a mini spring-loaded piston. So you load the warhead there, you strike the back, it's like a primer, and then the warhead just launch forward. Right. Test fire. Let's see that sight. Yeah, that's how it works. Just like the 5.7, it also like has one of those spring mechanisms inside that helps with the whole semi-auto feature that it has. So sunny today, but I guess I need some sun because I'm a little bit sick today. But yeah. Next, we move to the STI 1911. This thing is a laser blaster that have the shell ejecting feature and also semi-auto, like that. We got slide safety. It doesn't really work. We got slide lock, hammer. That's a working hammer. Yeah, and the laser comes out. If you can see it, it's so bright. Yeah, there we go. So, just fire. Yep, that's how it works. It's cool to have a piece of these things, so you can use as some movie prop, and it's cosplay, and it's safe to have them because it's just, you know, laser pointer. Just make sure not to point laser into people's eyes. Yeah, but yeah, they're safe, they're nice to have, good scale. This whole lower body is like metal. The slide is nylon plastic, the barrel is metal, the chamber part here is plastic. What else? Triggers metal, slide metal, Hammer is metal. Max nylon. The grip part is nylon. Very nice. The grip safety is also metal. So this thing has a lot of metal parts. It's not that heavy though. It's light. Alright. Now moving on. The Rhino. A very cool piece of weapon. This thing also works just like the Glock. It uses like a warhead and launch by striking the primer. And yeah, hammer, double action, the indicator. Oh, sorry about that. The phone just overheated and then turned off a little bit. And yeah, this indicates that the gun is loaded. Oh, phone overheated again. Alright, I'm gonna do it faster. So yeah, cylinder is metal, the mechanism is metal, barrel, the over barrel extension is metal, the hammer, I think it's the hammer, yeah, the hammer is metal, the cylinder release is metal, everything is metal, trigger's metal, the body is nylon. It's a very solid piece. It's really hefty too. It's a nice little piece to have. Dang it. Can't really hold 6 shells in my palm that easily. So yeah, Rhino. Moving out to the final two, fast. Got the M17. Also shell ejecting. I found out that their plastic shells are the same size as the 9x18, so I used real ones. They're just deactivated, and then I put like a 9mm on top. It works. So it's also the laser mechanism. Some part is metal. The barrel's metal, the shroud is metal, trigger, slide release. The safety is not metal. This piece here, I don't know what it is. It's like a disassembly part. It's metal. Oh yeah. So yeah, M17. Finally, M18 with an extendo mag. I have the normal mag inside my room, but yeah, it looks better, cooler. This is a fake RMR, so it's just for show. Also laser. Same goes with the other one. The magazine also uses real, well, deactivated rounds. Alright, for the last trick, I'm gonna do some akimbo shit with this too. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, do whatever you want. It's support my channel because I just recently got back with the whole YouTube a little bit. And yeah, Have a nice day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.